Welcome back to the Sense and Style channel. We're gonna do something fun today, something you guys have kind of asked some questions about. We are going to do how to change your Scentsy wax. So I have 3 different methods that I wanna show you guys today. Really, I've heard a lot more, but to me, these are the most practical, easiest ways. So first, we have the spatula method. So these spatulas, well, first of all, super cute. They're like dual-ended, so I'll show you guys how to use both ends and what you guys should do. These are not available on my website, but they are available through me personally. So if you guys like the spatula method that you see, let me know, and I can personally order them for you guys. And we have the cotton ball method, which I think is pretty popular. So just regular old cotton balls. And then we have the most amazing method that you guys are gonna ever see. The cotton cleanup method. So these are actually newly available to you guys. So I am super excited to show you guys these. These are the cotton cleanups. So they're super thick. Look at that. They can hold, they can basically soak up like 4 of the cubes of wax. So I typically only put 2 in my large warmer. Some people put 3. I put 2, so honestly, like, that's gonna totally do the job. And you can get 25 in a pack for $6. Like, seriously, how cheap is that? So this is what they have, like a little handle on them, so that's kind of nice. You don't ever have to touch anything. So I did like the cotton ball method. That's the way I used to do it until I found the cotton cleanup. So the cotton ball method, cotton cleanup are very similar. The thing with the cotton ball is you have to touch like the cotton ball with the wax on it, right? So this is going to prevent you from getting wax on your fingers, or if you're like me, dripping it anywhere, anything like that. So these are amazing, guys. Seriously. I can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so as you can see, I've got my wax melting. This one is not all the way melted yet. We've got our mini warmer going, and another mini warmer with some wax in there. All right, guys, so the first method I want to show you is the cotton ball method. So I take 2 cotton balls for the mini warmers. As you can see, the wax is completely melted. So all the way melted, and then you just want to drop in 2 cotton balls. And you can see it kind of starts soaking it up. So sometimes I'll just throw the cotton balls in there, walk away for a second, and let it soak up. And then you can see all of the wax getting on there. And then you can take the part that has not been used and just kind of wipe it out. So once it's soaked up, if you have any excess, you can just take another cotton ball and just kind of wipe that out. And it's ready to go for your new wax. So the next method I want to show you guys is the spatula method. So this one, you don't want to melt the wax completely. Just kind of make it a little bit soft. Like, you can kind of see leaving little like fingerprints in there. So it's not melted at all. This one, so like I said, this is a dual-ended spatula. So what you can do is just kind of take the pokey end and go around it, and it's gonna pop right up. So then you can just scoop it out like that and throw that away. And then if there is excess, you can either just finish scraping it out and then dump that, or you know, just grab paper towel or a cotton cleanup to finish that up. P.S. I'm also going to make a video of how to clean your Scentsy bowls. This one is one of my older warmers, and you know, they do need cleaned from time to time. I've been letting this one get kind of bad, that way I can show you guys a good video of how to clean it. So let's just get the rest of that out there and we will move on to the next method. All right guys, our last way I want to show you of cleaning out the wax is the new cotton cleanups. Check these out. So they are probably like a half of an inch thick and they're super dense, which I love. So one great thing about these is that they have this little handle, so you never have to touch the wax. So these come in a pack of 25 for $6, so really affordable. They can soak up to 4 little cubes of wax. So in here I have 2 cubes. This is completely melted, so you want to use the cotton cleanups when the wax is completely melted. So what you want to do is take your cleanup, just lift this little tab up, and then you can drop it right in. And then just let it soak up there for, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds. Just kind of let it do its work. You can kind of move it around if you need to. And lift it out. Look at that. And it still could have soaked up more. If there was more wax in there, it would have kept going. Seriously guys, how easy was that? All we did was pop it in, let it soak, and pop it out. And we got this. So let me show you on a mini warmer. So this is my mini warmer. I'll show you guys how to soak it up using the mini warmer. It's the same thing. Just kind of, they might not fit exactly in there, so just kind of set it in there, let it do its work. The mini ones, you might have to turn it just a bit to get everything, but look at that. Never had to touch the wax because I had this handy dandy handle. And look at that, perfectly clean. One swipe. So if you guys want any of the cotton cleanups, just message me. You guys know where to find me, and I can order you some, or you can always go onto my website. I'll put a link down below to my website, and you guys can order on their cotton cleanups. They're $6 for a pack of 25. That makes them like 24 cents each. Also, a really cool thing you can do with these is they would make great fire starters because of the wax on there. So if you guys just keep like a little basket of your used ones, you'll be able to use them for camping, or if you guys have a wood stove or anything like that, they would make great fire starters. So save them and reuse them.